We all know how bloat can ruin a perfectly good day. The second it shows up, you just want to boo it off the stage. It's like carrying around a tight balloon for a stomach. Even jeans will feel tighter than usual, making you reach for leggings or sweatpants. Stretchy waistbands aren't the only solution to bloating, however. Thanks to the power of plants, certain herbs will bring your woes to an end. Bloating develops when too much air sneaks into your stomach. This might happen after drinking bubbly beverages, like soda or seltzer. Chewing gum and talking while eating can also let air in. Conditions like constipation, celiac disease, gastroesophageal reflux, GERD, irritable bowel syndrome, and bacterial infections may cause bloating. Plants to cure bloating. 1. Peppermint. You can't go wrong with the rejuvenating taste of peppermint. When consumed, this herb will help to bloat by reducing gas, diarrhea, nausea, and stomach pain will calm down, too. 2. Ginger. As a popular digestive aid, ginger is a top-notch choice. This zesty herb is known for easing bloating, burping, nausea, constipation, and diarrhea. Even your immune system will get a boost thanks to the antioxidants. Is the flavor of ginger too much for you? Tone it down with honey and lemon. 3. Lavender. You might use lavender for bringing on a good night's sleep. But if you're suffering from painful bloating, lavender works just as well. It'll relieve spasms and relax the body. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric will save the day if you're having a hard time digesting food. Specifically, its active compound curcumin has potent anti-flatulence properties. The flavor takes some getting used to, so try sweetening it up with pineapple or lemon. 5. Chamomile. Like lavender, chamomile isn't just for snoozing. This digestive relaxant treats bloating, gas, and any pain that might come with it. Nausea and diarrhea will also decrease after drinking chamomile. 6. Fennel. Fennel isn't just for cooking savory dishes. This relative of the carrot has awesome digestive enhancing properties. Researchers think it's all thanks to the high antioxidant content. How to use anti-bloating plants. Enjoy these plants as a cup of warm tea. The hot water will work wonders for tummy troubles. Add lemon and honey for extra flavor and benefits. To prepare, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of dried herbs to 1 cup of hot water. Let sit for 5 minutes, strain the herbs, and enjoy. You can even make delicious combinations like ginger plus peppermint or chamomile and lavender.